Nothing beats turmeric's brilliant yellow color or its many health advantages. Turmeric is unquestionably one of the healthiest spices available, having a lengthy history in medical, religious, and social traditions, as well as Old Eastern cuisine. Although you may be more familiar with turmeric from dishes like curries, you can make a drink that is extremely beneficial to your health by simply adding a small amount of turmeric to water. As we share with you today, the 9 incredible health advantages of drinking turmeric water, please take a seat back and unwind. Does it actually maintain our health and increase immunity? Let's investigate. Science backs up the traditional belief that turmeric has medicinal properties. Curcuminoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, are found in turmeric. Turmeric is used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat skin problems, joint discomfort, and allergies. In particular, turmeric water promotes bodily rejuvenation by eliminating toxins and acting as a natural detoxifier. It is an excellent dietary supplement that contains calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, dietary fiber, vitamin C, E, and K, as well as antioxidants, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic qualities. Regularly consuming turmeric water can help you boost your immunity. Turmeric's herb curcumin has been demonstrated to strengthen immunity and protection against free radical damage. Turmeric contains a chemical called lipopolysaccharide, which is well known for having antiviral and antibacterial qualities. Reduce pain and inflammation. A tiny amount of turmeric mixed with milk or water has long been used by people in the Indian subcontinent to relieve joint discomfort and lower their risk of infection and illness. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also help with arthritic pain and mild inflammation. Improve skin health. Turmeric water is beneficial for enhancing skin health. Turmeric has been used in a lot of skincare and cosmetic procedures. Turmeric's antioxidants prevent free radicals, which cause premature aging of the skin from doing their damage. Drinking turmeric water on a daily basis may make your skin look younger, healthier, and more radiant. Enhance mental clarity and focus. Turmeric's curcumin has been shown to improve cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and boosting neurotransmitter production. This can enhance mental clarity, concentration, and overall cognitive performance, making it beneficial for tasks that require sustained attention and focus. Promote healthy blood sugar levels. Turmeric helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Drinking turmeric water can support balanced blood sugar levels and overall metabolic health. Aids digestion and weight loss. Turmeric is a great aid for weight loss and digestion. The only path to a healthy metabolism, which is necessary for sustained weight loss and management, is through good digestion. Turmeric has some compounds that increase the bile production in the gallbladder, which improves digestion and reduces feelings of gas and bloating. Supports liver health. Do you want your liver to stay healthy? The generation of vital enzymes that eliminate toxins from the bloodstream before they reach the liver is accelerated by turmeric. Turmeric water may prove advantageous in the long run for people taking strong drugs for diabetes or other conditions that could damage their liver when taken continuously. Supports heart health. In addition, it protects against heart diseases. Heart issues are typically caused by increased cholesterol levels. Similar to aspirin but less harmful, curcumin, which is found in turmeric, helps strengthen the lining of blood arteries and lower cholesterol levels by preventing blood clotting. It also helps regulate blood pressure and blood coagulation. Assists in cancer treatment. Cancer treatment may benefit from the use of turmeric water. Because of its antioxidant qualities, it might be able to manage oxidative stress in the body, which could help prevent diseases like cancer. Studies show that curcumin inhibits the growth of new blood vessels in tumors and kills cancer cells in a number of ways. Helps in Alzheimer's disease. It has the potential to help treat Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease-related oxidative damage and inflammation are both aided by curcumin. Curcumin is useful in both preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease, since research has demonstrated that it can successfully preserve the normal structure and function of brain arteries, mitochondria, and synapses. It can also reduce risk factors for a variety of chronic diseases and lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Boosts memory and treat depression. It also cures depression and improves memory. A protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factors, BDNF, which aids in learning and memory, is produced in less amounts in the brain during periods of depression. The result is a shrinkage of the hippocampus, a part of the brain mostly involved in memory. Curcumin has been shown in a study to increase BDNF levels and perhaps reverse changes. You might be wondering how to make turmeric water at this point. Fill a pot with 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. To a fresh cup, add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the heated water now. Turmeric may sound easy enough, but there's an art behind it. You must apply just enough pepper for your body to absorb this spice. To sweeten the drink, you can add honey at the end if you'd like. Swirl it well and enjoy it warm. We advise you to drink turmeric water every day, either before breakfast or right before bed, because it has so many health benefits. Drinking turmeric water has been found to improve overall wellness. Many health-conscious individuals are consuming turmeric water daily. Are you planning to drink turmeric water daily? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video useful, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in next video.